Subscribe to my YouTube channel Lovely Mohua and hit the bell icon to see my latest videos first.
Sourire à mon succès, je suis folle à toi. Le désir coule dans mes veines, guidé par ta voix.
Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you this look right here. I hope you guys can see this look. I'm going to be sharing with you this look, bluish glittery eyes. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and I am doing videos literally after a long time. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, so if you want to know more, then keep on watching. So first of all, I'm going to be using this concealer so that the eyeshadow comes up a little brighter. I'm going to blend it. I'm focusing on eyelid especially. Then I'm going to go with this blue and going to apply it to the crease area and going to blend it very well. Slowly I'm going to build up the color so that it looks a little brighter. Next I'm going to go with this color and I'm going to apply it on my lid area. Just on the lid area, I'm going to blend it very well. Like it should not look like that I've applied these two colors separately. Like it should be blended very nicely. Blending is the key, and you all know that. Next I'm going to use this glitter on just on my eyelid. I'm going to use little glue, eyelash glue, and going to apply this glitter evenly just on my eyelid. I'm not going to spread it, just going to apply it on my eyelid nicely. I think I'm done, and then I'm going to be using my eyelashes, and obviously mascara is important, but I think you can also use the mascara on the lower lashes first, then you should go for your eyelashes. Next I'm going to use this foundation, Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and the concealer again, and then going to dance a little bit because why not, and then going to blend everything well, as you can see here. Foundation should be blended really nicely, like it gives the flawless look we want. And I have used the compact powder on the eye area only because I love how flawless this foundation is. This is the loose powder. Now I'm going to bake my eye area. Going to keep it for 2-3 minutes and then going to clean it with a brush. And next I'm going to be filling my eyebrows with this mascara, as I don't have the eyebrow eyebrow filler, or what to call it, the powder and stuff. So now I'm going to so as you can see, I'm using the mascara here, and it works fine as well. Next I'm going to highlight my eye area, my nose, my cheeks, my forehead, my chin, my upper lips, and the places where I need to be highlighted. Next going to blend it with a beauty blender. Then I'm gonna go with this lipstick, Lakme 925 lipstick, this nude color. All the products detail will be listed into the description box. And again I'm using Lakme satin something, enrich satin. Then going to use this blush and blend it with a beauty blender. And for the contouring I'm going to be using this Lakme satin enrich satin lipstick and blending. Just to jazz the look up, I'm going to be wearing this earring, and then I'm going to apply this greenish eyeshadow on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to be using this eyeliner on my lower lash line as well, and then I'm done. you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it, and I will catch you guys later super soon. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.